Once upon a time in a small village, there was a little boy named Taro. Taro loved looking at the night sky. He would sit by the window and dream about the stars, planets, and the vast, beautiful universe. One day, Taro said,
I want to be an astronaut and explore the universe. I will visit the planets, fly past the stars, and learn all about the universe.
Taro studied hard and became an astronaut. He got into his shiny rocket and counted down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Taro's rocket entered into space. First, he reached Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun.
Preview. Preview.
Who are you?
I am Taro, an astronaut.
Hello, Taro. I am very hot. I am very close to the sun. Be careful.
Wow, you're so shiny and bright, Mercury.
I am smallest planet in our solar system.
And you have no air to breathe, Mercury.
Yes, Taro, but I have craters like moon.
Oh, it's getting late, Mercury, but I have to visit more planets. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Taro.
Preview. Preview.
Next, Taro flew to Venus, the second planet.
Preview. Preview.
Who are you?
I am Taro, an astronaut.
Welcome, Taro. I have the clouds all around me, but they are very, very hot.
You are like a glowing ball in the sky, Venus.
I am the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury.
And you spin the opposite way, Venus.
My mighty clouds trap heat, making me very hot.
I need to meet more planets, Venus. I must go. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Taro. Take care.
Preview. Preview.
Taro waved goodbye and visited Earth, his hometown.
Preview. Preview.
Who are you?
I am Taro, an astronaut.
Hello, Taro. Remember me? I am the planet where you live, fly underwater.
Yet you are so special. I promise to take care of you.
Thank you, Taro. I have air to breathe and water to drink.
And you have animals and trees and people here.
Yes, I am the only planet with life that we know.
I have to visit more planets. I will be back soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Taro. See you soon.
Preview. Preview.
Taro's next stop was Mars, the red planet.
Preview. Preview.
love your red color.
Thank you. I have two little moons.
You have dust that can cover the whole planet.
And people call me Red Planet because of my rusty soil.
I need to meet more planets, Mars. Goodbye for now.
Bye, Taro. Visit again soon.
Preview. Preview.
Next, Taro reached Jupiter, the biggest planet.
Preview. Preview.
Who are you?
I am Taro, an astronaut.
Hello, Taro. Look at my big red spots. Giant star.
Wow, Jupiter, you are huge.
I have 79 moons around me.
You have rings too, Jupiter, but they are faint.
My great red spot has been there for hundreds of years.
It's been wonderful, Jupiter, but I have to continue my journey. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Taro. Come back anytime.
Preview. Preview.
Taro then reached Saturn, the planet with the most beautiful rings.
Preview. Preview.
Who are you?
I am Taro, an astronaut.
Welcome, Taro. Look at my shiny rings made of ice and dust.
You have the biggest and brightest ring, Saturn.
I have many moons, Taro.
I love to see your ring, Saturn, but I have to go. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Taro. Keep exploring.
Preview. Preview.
Taro flew further and reached Uranus, the cold and the tilted planet.
Preview. Preview.
Who are you?
I am Taro, an astronaut.
Hello, Taro. I roll around the sun on my side.
You have a beautiful blue-green color, Uranus.
My clouds are made of icy gases and I'm very cold.
It's fun learning about Uranus, but I have to move on. Goodbye.
Bye, Taro. Enjoy your adventure.
Preview. Preview.
Finally, Taro arrived at Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun.
Preview. Preview.
Who are you?
I am Taro, an astronaut.
Hello, Taro. I am a winter planet in the solar system.
You have a deep blue color, Neptune.
My wings are the strongest and I have a dark sun like Jupiter.
I love your beautiful color, Neptune, but I have to go home. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Taro. Keep reaching for stars.
Preview. Preview.
Taro finished exploring and returned home and told everyone about his journey.
Our universe is so big and beautiful. I am so lucky to explore it. The planets are like my friends, and each one is special and has its own story. The planets are like my friends, and each. Let's explore, learn, love our